everyone, Pamela here. So today we're going to show you how we can append address and names to your list of phone numbers. So let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, you have to visit searchbug.com. If you don't have an account yet, I am highly recommending for you to open an account. Now I'm already on the home page. What we need to click is business services on the upper left corner. Click and contact list, and this is the first step. We have to upload the file that we wanted to append. Choose the file, and we wanted to choose a list of phone numbers. Click continue. So here I have a list of phone numbers, and my list already has a header row with column names. So I just tick the box, and the system already identified the column as phone number. So if your list has a header as well with column names, then you can just tick the box and then continue to next step. So the third step will be to select the best service that suits your needs. So what we usually recommend is the premium append, since it gives higher match rate and it also has up-to-date and accurate information compared to the standard one. The service that we want is to find contact information from phone number, and it will also give us the number of records we have on file, the maximum cost, and the typical match rate, and how long this will take. So the estimated processing time is 1 minute, and once you click process my data, you'll be routed to the fourth step, which is just a confirmation that your file is already running, and you get an email notification once the result is already completed, and you can track the batch under bulk dashboard. So if you click your name, then click bulk dashboard, you will be able to track all of the files that you uploaded, how long it took, how many records, and how much it cost. And also, this is the page where you can download the file. Just click the hyperlink and it will give you the appended information. So that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Hope I was able to assist you, and I'm looking forward to speak with you soon. Thank you so much and have an awesome day. Goodbye.